With a quick swish of his air bat, Navjot Singh Sidhu today took a charge as the new Punjab Congress president amid loud chants of his name from the audience. The new working president Sangat Singh Gilzian, Sukhwinder Singh Dani, Pawan Goel, and Kuljit Singh Nagra also took charge today. As Chief Minister Amrinder Singh looked on from the dais, the first time the two have shared a stage in recent weeks, the ex-army officer, the former cricketer, and their party looked set for new innings as they looked to get over squabbling that has endangered their re-election campaign. Sidhu's first speech as chief of Punjab Congress hinted at that cooperative future. I have no ego. I will work with all party workers shoulder to shoulder. The workers are like the soul of a leader. I will respect the elders and will love the younger to me. The Congress is united contrary to what our opposition says, he said with his customary flamboyance. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be the new chairperson of the parliamentary party of the Trinamool Congress, MP Derek O'Brien announced on Friday ahead of her visit to New Delhi next week that is expected to lay the groundwork for a greater national focus for the fiery regional leader. Taking over from MP Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, Banerjee will be among the few political leaders who have headed the parliamentary contingent of their party without being elected to the parliament. In 1998, Sonia Gandhi had led the Congress Parliamentary Party when she became the chief of the party. 36 people have died in landslides in Maharashtra's Raigad district as incessant rain continued to batter the Konkan region of the state, leaving thousands stranded in floods and landslides. Helicopters are being used to evacuate people from the flood-hit regions in Raigad, about 70 kilometers from Mumbai. 20 people are feared trapped in two locations in the Patan Tehsil of Western Maharashtra's Satara district, which has been battered by rain. Ajay Kumar Bansal, Superintendent of Police, Satara Rural, was quoted as saying, "At Ambeghar, 13 to 14 people in 4 houses are feared trapped, while at Mirgaon, 3 houses were affected with 8 to 10 people inside." Chinese Premier Xi Jinping pledged to bolster construction along Tibet's Himalayan frontier as the Chinese president reaffirmed Beijing's control in his first official trip to the border region. Xi called on ethnic Tibetans and other minority groups on Friday to help defend the country in a visit timed to mark the 70th anniversary of the Communist Party's control over the area, according to the official's Xinhua news agency. The trip, which included a stop in the Chinese military hub of Nyingtri, comes as tensions simmer along the country's contested border with India amid claims by both the sides of aggressive troop movements and infrastructure building. Boxing legend and London Games bronze medalist Mary Kom and men's hockey team captain Manpreet Singh, India's flag bearers, led the Indian contingent at the Parade of Nations during the Tokyo Olympics opening ceremony at the National Stadium in the Japanese capital on Friday. 19 Indian athletes and 6 officials made their way to the Olympic Stadium. Men were wearing a bandgala suit with a traditional motif around the collar, while the women wore a gold kurta set with blazer which sported the same motif as that of the men's bandgalas. The ceremony was held without spectators due to COVID-19.